So today we are going to decorate my Christmas tree. Well, I'm going to do it. So you saw me on Wednesday putting this tree up when I've decorated my dining room, and if you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it here and at the end of the video, so you can see how I decorated the Christmas tree in my dining room and set out little lovely wintry scene as well. This is Balsam Hill tree and it is Fraser Fair, I think, frosted. I will put it down in a description box, and this one is 6.5 foot, I think. Also, everything that I'm using, because I know people always ask me, where did you buy this, where did you buy this? I buy my Christmas decorations all over the place. Everything that I have is what I've had for years. If there are things that I bought this year and I can still find them, then I will link them down below. But I have been collecting decorations and, you know, all Christmas stuff for years. So I love this tree because it's pre-lit, but to me it is not snowy enough. It is more of a frosty effect. I like that heavy flocking, and you could say, well, why didn't you just get really heavy flock tree? Well, I couldn't find one at the time that was pre-lit. So what I do, I have loads, and I've done it for years. I've done it with a tree that was completely green and I wanted it flocked. I've got loads of these flocked branches. I've been using them for years. You just have to look for them. Where I got these, they don't sell them anymore. It was probably 4 or 5 years ago. But if you look hard enough in garden centers, online, you will be able to find these sort of flocked branches. And what I do, I just lay them on the existing branches to make them more snowy. So I will do that now. Also, you can make, you know, if your tree is very uniformed and you want like longer bits so you can hang other stuff on it that is just on the outside of the tree, these are very good for that, because you can position them in such way that they stick out.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling.
Okay, so all the branches are on the tree now. As you can see, it's made it whiter and a bit more irregular. So let me just maybe zoom in and show it to you. It looks lovely, doesn't it? By the way, I have this lovely fireplace on a loop playing on my TV, so if you hear crackling, that's what it is. But also you will be able probably to hear my dog snoring. He does this every year because he has to be with me all the time. So when I'm decorating, he's just lying here and snoring as much as he likes. So just a heads up. Right, so now I still haven't decided on colour theme for my tree. But I have a box here of sort of champagne gold baubles, and I thought I'd put them all on, and maybe white ones as well. And then I will decide if I leave it like this or if I want to add some accent colour. I might also do quite a bit of ribboning, put some ribbon in. I never do my topper first. A lot of people do their topper first because I need to look at the whole tree first before I decide what goes on the top, so the top is not too small or not too big for the rest of the tree. I think I do things actually back to front. a lot of the time. People usually put ribbons on first, then the decorations. I sometimes do that, but then I might do ribbon last. So do it the way that is more comfortable for you.
Having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
So right now I'm trying to put these really shiny ones quite deep in a tree, because when the lights shine through those baubles you can really see them inside the tree.
Ooh, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be.
I'm also going to start to put these champagne gold pigs in a tree. So I'm just doing it, like I said, back to front, not in any order. I just put few things on, stand back, look at it, and then add something else, look at it, and that's how I work.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs.
Right, I've been in my loft twice now and I keep finding other stuff, and I forgot how useful picks are. If you have lots of different picks, then you really don't need many baubles because they fill up the tree so lovely. So I found these picks, and these are wonderful because they obviously have like little baubles on it, like berries, so they fill up a lot of space. And I found these lovely flowers, so that will go with my theme. Right, I'm gonna carry on with the picks.
Have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to.
Okay, what do you think of my topper? So now I could see what my tree is starting to look like. I could match the topper to it. Let's carry on. Right, so I was going to leave it with that, just this pale gold, and it looks beautiful, but it sort of disappears. So I've started adding these baubles that I bought this year, and I have this ribbon. So hang on, I thought if I just scatter, because I only have I think 11 of these, and then put this ribbon here and there, it will be just a lovely accent color. Do you like it? I think it looks nice. But then I don't know if these flowers will go, because these are more platinum. I've already put one there near the topper, so we will see. I'm going to do that now.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first.
Right, I think I'm liking it, but I wish I had now maybe 6 more of these baubles, and I don't have anything that color. I bought them in John Lewis, and when I went to look, they were sold out, so I will just have to do with that, and the rest I will just, I suppose, fill in with the ribbon.
Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Right, so I've done all the ribbon. Now I think I'm going to poke in these flowers, and then I'm going to finish off with these finials. I always put them on the edge of the tree.
For is this time, is it ever since July? I've been happier than I have ever been.
I pushed in those big flowers, and now I am adding this really fine light on the outside, so the tree is a bit brighter.
Myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Okay, I'm just going to finish it all off, and then I will film the close-up. I hope you enjoyed it. This has taken me whole day as usual. I'm quite happy. It's a very warm look this year, and I suppose it looks a bit peachy, doesn't it? But it's still not the peach I wanted. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous this Christmas. Bye.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colors this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
Christmas.